After waiting for more than an hour on this dank October morning, the patience of the Tibetans is finally rewarded. The 14th reincarnation of the Dalai Lama, born in the year of the woodhog and enthroned in the year of the iron dragon, eventually arrives. After greeting his subjects from Wales and elsewhere, His Holiness ascends a specially constructed throne for the more formal aspects of his visit. The ceremony starts with prayers and offerings of tea and rice, but soon it becomes remarkably informal. The Dalai Lama's sermon is punctuated by anecdotes and stories, and there's even an account of his visit to Peking. He says that while sitting next to Chairman Mao, he threw a few grains of rice in the air as a customary offering to the gods. Chairman Mao, he says, threw his grains of rice in the other direction, on the floor. But there's a good deal of Buddhist philosophy in the sermon as well. The Dalai Lama says his visit to Britain is entirely non-political and that he's merely interested in hearing other views about the brotherhood of man, a theme on which he expanded to us later in a special audience.
Problem which we are facing is more or less same. Physically or superficially, here you see Western country, highly civilized, highly developed in the modern technique and a high living standard. In East, the poverty and many difficulties are there. But basic human problem is always there. I think you Westerner, despite you see high living standards and the modern facilities. You see, there are many people who are depression or mental disease. What is this? Something wrong? Something lacking in the life, I think.